is Maina, founder and lead facilitator at Fukazi. Fukazi stands for the future of Kazi. And if you're on this landing page, on this video, you probably are wondering, what is this program that I have for Form 4 Leavers? It is a 3 or 4 week program that is basically supposed to equip them with skills that are for 2026 and skills that are going to help them in the workplace and also in universities. So I'm going to introduce computers to them because wengi wao hawajui kutumia computer. So what is a computer? How do you come up with an email? How do you go to Microsoft Word? How do you make something into a document? How do you change a Word document to a PDF? How do you use Google Docs? Because these days Google Docs is what people use. And then that's like the first 3 or 4 days. Then we're going to look into AI. We're going to look at common large language models such as ChatGPT, such as Gemini, such as Claude, such as Grok. What are the applications? How do they work? How can you use them to ensure that they work as well as possible if you want to use them for work? Again, we're going to start looking at applications or practical applications for those different large language models. So they're called large language models. So for example, if somebody is going to school and they're trying to analyze some documents, how can you use AI to analyze that? If you're, let's say, trying to figure out a curriculum, you're trying to find a report, you're trying to make a report, you're trying to write an email, you're trying to do something on the internet, I'll show them how can AI actually help them do that thing. And then now that's going to be maybe like another 5 days. We're going to have this, by the way, online and physical because we need some workspaces. And then after week 2 for AI, we're going to look into design because design is something that a lot of employers look for. We're going to look into tools like Canva, which is an AI-powered design platform that allows even the people who do not understand design or they're not that good at design get good at design. So we're going to look at Canva and how to make things like posters, how to make things like presentations, decks, and just present their work in the university, because in universities they normally are given group works and they have to present their project in a presentation format. So basically we're going to look into those 3 things. The first is computers, the second is AI, the third is Canva for presentations. And outside of Canva, I'm also going to show them something else called Gamma.app, which is an AI powered platform that allows people to create decks with AI. It's AI that makes the decks for you. So I'm going to show them all these tools and how each and every tool gets into each other. How do they marry each other and how can you use all of them from the very beginning with computers to AI to the design? How does all that merge? And at the end of the program, they're going to have a project that they're supposed to give me. They're supposed to give me certain flyers, they're supposed to have given me some decks, they're supposed to have presented what they have learned and maybe even come up with a business plan. So just 3 weeks. And now the date today is 14th January 2026. It will go for, okay, I won't say the price because it can change, but for now it goes for 12,000 shillings. It may be subject to change according to the date that you see this. Again, it is online with an option for physical. However, the physical one is greatly discouraged because even if they come physically, I'm gonna still have to like share my screen and everything. So it's just easy for them to do things online. Okay, nyumbani tu na follow, alafu tuko na a workspaces during the weekend which are gonna be physical. All that, if you need it or you see this is as valuable, give me a call today at 0114469840 and you get your child kickstarted on their technology career or just their life in general. Thank you so much.